Hi everyone, how to fix the League of Legends not launching problem. So make sure to watch this entire video to fix this problem because I will show you the effective solution to fix this problem. So first right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager, and here you just need to close all the background application that will running on your background because this application will consume lot of the bandwidth, lot of the RAM usage, lot of the CPU usage in your background, and it will also cause the issue of the League of Legends not launching problem. Then click on the startup. Here you just need to disable all of the application you are seeing here because when you start your PC, this application will start automatically without your permission and will consume lot of the bandwidth, lot of the CPU usage and the RAM usage in your background. So you just need to right click on this all application and just disable this application. So make sure you don't disable the important application. And if your problem is still not fixed, then right click on your right client and go to properties, go to the compatibility, check the box of the compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8 from here. And also check the box of disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then just simply click on the apply, then click on the OK. After that, just right click on your League of Legends, then simply go to its properties. Now go to the compatibility and check the box of the compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8 from here and also disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. So these are the very important settings which are the run in the compatibility. Then simply click on the OK and then you can open up your League of Legends and your all problem related to the not launching or not opening is fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you just need to update your operating system because if there is any missing or available update, then you can simply update it. You also need to update your graphic cards. You have the any graphic card like the NVIDIA or the AMD, open up your device manager. You can also open up the NVIDIA or AMD softwares, and you can also update the graphic card on the softwares. After you update it, you just need to open up your League of Legends and your not launching problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix this problem. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.